Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from IBL Informatic Engineering 09. Will be presented our projects over the past 14 weeks. And this is our application. The name is Tracify, pengelolaan sampah dan kebersihan Kota Batam. Our manager project is Sir Ahmad Hamid Tohari. Before we getting into the main topic, allow me to introduce our members. And this is Lea Antoni. We speak with only Tahap Sari, and with myself is Alfiret Salim, Mazanda Amriani, and Syafiq. Okay, this is our project description. Tracify is an innovative application designed to help the people of Batam City to manage more effectively, including reporting waste-related issues, accessing waste collection, and garbage dump condition information. Also providing educational resources on proper waste management. Additionally, the app is designed to reduce the volume of waste in landfills through waste banks programs. And our application enable monitoring and analysis by the government. And this is our project support code. And the next is our project achievements.
Okay, next we have 18 table in database. First of all is user, number 2 is OTP, number 3 admin, number 4 is warga, number 5 petugas kebersihan, number 6 bank sampah, number 7 konten edukasi, number 8 komentar, number 9 pengaduan, number 10 is foto pengaduan, 11 penanggung jawab. Next is pengangkutan TPS, lokasi TPS, informasi pengangkutan session, personal access token, migration, and the last of us is password reset token. And this is our application view that has been implemented. First of all, we have login or sign in screen. Number 2, we have homepage screen. Number 3, we have a report screen. Number 4 is transport information screen. Number 5 is information for temporary dumping site screen. Number 6 is garbage bank screen. Number 7 is content education screen. Next is profile screen. In profile screen we have setting screen. We can click the setting button. In the setting screen we have 2 sections. In first section is public, for we can change the profile data like photo profile, name, date of birth, and the other. And then in section public, we can change the account password in this application. The next section is preference. The first of all, in preference section, we have a public setting. This in order to setting notification and location. And number 2, we have terms and condition. And the last of all is logout.
Okay, next is admin website views. In these views, the admin can manage various data such as complaint, transportation information, and then there is waste bank, TPS location, user admin data, and worker data. So this is the dashboard, and then this is the list data table, and then this is the model add for the data, and this is the edit model for the data, and next is the delete model, and last is the detail data. Next. Okay, this is our project completion percentage. So we have complete 95% of our project. Okay, this is the final report. In this report, we document various data from requirement to review. Okay, next is SKPL. In this document, we write all the system design. And the last is manual book. This is for procedure of the application.
So the next is the product branding. So the first of product branding is poster, the visually representation used to promote our application. It highlights abstract, background, goals, method, and conclusion in the application's view. And the second of product branding is logo to representation of the identity of our application. So this is the view of our logo application. So this our last document is an official document that confirms the completion of a task or project and the transfer of responsibility or ownership between parties. And the next is this is our HKI document. Is to protect creation and invitation. When a product is handed over, the creation can transfer this right, allowing the new owner to legally or use or sell the product. And the last, this is our proposal document. It's for joining the KMPN competition. It's a formal document that outlines the project. This is used to present and evaluate the innovating in a competition.
Okay, next. So here there is a logbook where this logbook is a presentation of a process that we do. Okay, next, this is contrast on project completed. The first lies in contacting client with the government, and the second communication is with project manager, and the third integration difficulties between mobile application and website. Okay, effort to resolve this contains the first scheduling a meeting. The second is establishing will define access title that ensure completeness and samples the data flow. Okay, the next roles and contribution of teamwork. And the first Lea Anthony, the second Pipit Lolita, the third Alif Hidayat, the fourth Safik, and the last five Mazanda Agrani and me. Okay.
Okay, thanks for your kind attention. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
If we says the